People get ready, there's a train coming. Train, the first T. With T3, we take the same approach to physical training as is taken during other intellectual pursuits like school. For instance, when you went to school or later on college, you gathered all the tools like your textbooks, your notebooks, your binders, your pens, your backpack, all the stuff that's needed to start training for your course. And when it was study time, you chose the best location to support the goal of learning the material. Don't you think that your body deserves the same, if not more, attention to that detail? The subject you're studying is you. In our T3 training, it's all about you. We gather the study material, data, and training tools to help you learn about the most important person in this universe, and that's you. So, start where you are, and you progress from there. Your keys to success: be ready. Body weight and or progressive resistance training using your T3 bag, current sandbag, weights, yoga, water jugs, kids. Gather all your training tools into one place. A place where you can go to burn fat, build muscle, and be honest, 100% honest with yourself. Remember, the moment when you want to quit is the moment when you need to keep pushing.